Welcome to yet another ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the LS630W education projector. This is a low price, very high brightness laser projector for education. The idea being is you take that old lamp-based projector and instead of replacing the lamp for the 10th time, you save the money, you get something that's mercury-free, very clean and very efficient in an LS projector, and you don't have to worry about replacing it ever because it'll last at least 20,000 hours. Many years of good usage for any teacher that needs to show off the digital content to their class. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what you get inside the box. Pulling the LS630W out of the box, we have the unit itself. We also have a remote for the device, a power cable to connect to the power adapter, which provides power to the unit, a couple batteries for that remote, and a quick start guide to get it set up and connected in your space. Looking at the unit itself, it is a very compact unit. This is small enough that it should be able to replace any projector you may already have mounted in your education or corporate environment, and is pretty much plug and play. Very simple in terms of connectivity. On the back here, we have dual HDMI, and for systems that still use RS-232 control, we have that, which is pretty common in education still, but we think most people are going to use this LAN port, which allows for full remote control of this. You need to update it, shut it off remotely, turn it off for the summer, whatever you need to do, it can be done right through that port. In addition, there's the power in and an audio out if you want to send the audio to external speakers instead of the ones built into the projector. On the top of the device here, we have the controls that you can use to adjust the keystone and navigate the menu if for any reason you do not have the remote, as well as the wheel to zoom the picture in and out. This is a 1.3 zoom, so a mild range of adjustment to pull the image in and out and just get it nice on your projection screen, as well as a focus wheel built into the front of the device. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the LS630W commercial and education projector. To get more information on this projector and all of our projectors, please go to ViewSonic.com, and please watch this space for more exciting content on ViewSonic products.